Welcome to the exit on the Homestead. Happy Sunday! It has been a great day. We had an awesome time at church, followed by a little luncheon that the church put on. Got to hang out with some of our friends who are also our neighbors, so that was great. We got home and changed to some comfy clothes, got some cute overalls on. Eric's got his old workout clothes on, and we finished up the little bit we had left on the cold frame, which today it's not cold, we're in shorts, but I want to show it to you. We had to finish putting the end caps on, and we might add some handles later, but here we are. The garden is still pretty desolate. However, my seed starts are doing great, and I was able to protect my strawberry plants. There we go. And they're coming back. We have first bloom. These leaves made a great insulator for the cold parts of winter. We may even have some more cold snaps. We had a thunderstorm just a couple days ago, and you know what I say about thunder in winter. Means snow's coming. But actually, Eric right now is moving the chickens across the yard. They get a fresh patch a couple times a week, and once they're done with that patch, we reseed with grass seed to try and even out the amount of weeds in the yard. And I'll show you what a patch looks like. That we've reseeded, and it's growing really well. This patch right here. So, see, it's all grass now, but it was weeds earlier. So he's putting the girls over here. We've been targeting ant hills. We have very sandy soils, and the ants love it. So, but that's it. Oh, I want to show you the swarm trap too. Hold on. So we're going on day 4 of our swarm trap, and they're no longer checking it out. I think they've made this their home. So it'll move in a minute, not a minute, about an hour it'll move, and it will be exposed to the sunlight again. But yeah, give him a couple more days, and Eric's gonna build another swarm trap bottom that, what is that, lighter wooden bottom, and then we'll put another deep box up. It's a 10 frame deep box, so that's taller than what they consider the mediums, and it is significantly heavier when it's full of honey. But our goal this year is to have 6 hives. We've ordered 3 packages because we weren't sure if we were going to catch a swarm this year, or any swarms. Well, we were proven wrong super quickly, which is great. If we can get 3 wild swarms and then our 3 packages, that'll round us out And then in a couple months, we'll probably have to do some splits. So we have enough equipment for 8 hives. And we may end up with 10. How awesome would that be if we had 10 hives? But I'm just excited that this is the comings of spring. I love it. So this is what our ground looks like where the chickens normally stay. And that tarp over there was on top of the roof. This exposed area. We put it up when bird flu was running rampant across the country last year. And the windstorm we had on Friday night shredded it. But we have some rubber roofing that we use to line the coop. I'll show you that in a second. We're going to line this right here. We're gonna line this as well. So it'll continue to give additional shade and reduce possible other problems. So this is the rubber roofing that Eric got, and it's underneath this whole bedding. We've got to clean out this bedding here in a little bit. We will. And we use the pine, a blend of pine shavings and pellets, pine pellets. So they just kind of burst open and create a more of a sandy bedding for them. And we clean it out on occasion and put it in our compost bin. Or pile, it's not really a bin. This is our compost bin. It's probably about 3 feet tall at its highest. And it's been building over the last year. We turn it every couple of days, and probably at the very least it's a once a week. But like right now it's got Valentine's Day roses in it. Breaking down, but we have a compost bin in the kitchen that we put our food scraps in and we drop it off. And our bedding is there too, and it's actually time to rotate this, so we'll rotate it today. Alright, we have cut a 2-foot by 8-foot strip of this rubber roofing, and it's now going to replace that tarp we had. And it looks good. It's going to look great once we get it washed off, but it was just rolled up and it's dirty. It looks great. I like it. Oh. Well, we are done for the evening, and we're just going to enjoy a little fire before we go in and have dinner. Do you think we were productive today, babe?
Yes. And a relaxing time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. What's next on our project list?
Dinner.
Dinner. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you have a good one and a great week.